Greetings smartwatch fans! Meron tayo ditong bagong fitness tracker sa market. Isa sa mga pinaka-latest na wearable from TechLife, and kung di ako nagkakamali, itong pinakaunang smart band from the TechLife company. Ang TechLife Smart Band TLS B01. So, fitness tracker, lightweight and loaded ng features. So, titingnan natin to. Check natin yung design. Kasama na rin yung contents. Okay? Check na rin natin yung specs. Meron tayong specs dito sa likod. Titingnan natin yan. So, kung balak nyong bumili ng TechLife Smart Band, gusto nyo ng fitness tracker style at na affordable, hindi nyo kaya yung Huawei or yung sa Xiaomi, mas gusto nyo yung affordable, lightweight, and simple lang, panoorin nyo muna yung video nito bago kayo mag-click ng add to cart. And of course, kung may mga katanungan kayo, comment lang sa baba. May mga request, comment lang sa baba. And of course, support our channel, Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Okay, so umpisa na natin. Busisiin natin yung design ng TechLife Smart Band. So, ito yung packaging ng TechLife. Maganda yung pagkaka-package, premium yung feel, matibay siya, and of course, okay na okay yung pagkaka-setup ng packaging niya. Okay, so kung di nyo ginagamit yung smart band, pwede nyong itago dito, ilagay ulit. Solid yung pagkakayari, compact, and maganda naman yung materials. Premium yung feel ng packaging. So, ano nga ba yung laman ng packaging na to? Meron tayong fitness tracker, of course, yung user manual, yung strap naka-attach na sa ating smart band, and yung charging cable natin, magnetic, USB type A. And talking about yung packaging, so ito yung sa box natin, may details tayo ng features, titingnan natin mamaya yung specs. And kung napapansin nyo, NTC approve yung fitness tracker natin. And talking about fitness tracker, ito yung band natin. Lightweight, compact, parang kahugis niya yung Huawei Band 10 or yung Galaxy Fit 3. Yung Xiaomi Smart Band Pro, ganito rin yung style. Okay, wide body frame. Ito, plastic yung pinaka body frame, meron siyang physical button, curved corners, at ito somewhat rounded yung edge, hindi siya flat. At the back, sensor natin, ito model TLSB01, yan, and magnetic charging. Yung strap, pwede kayong bumili ng third party strap, medyo maliit nga lang. Meron itong quick release pin para mas madaling palitan. So, kung titingnan natin, let's have a close up look sa ating fitness tracker. So, lightweight, compact siya, maliit lang. And, okay na okay to sa mga naghahanap ng lightweight at simple fitness tracker. Pwede rin to sa mga teens. Okay na okay to. May support for notifications, may sports, at may health. TechLife brand yung sa strap natin. Yan. So, simple, lightweight, flexible strap. At comfortable to wear. So far, sinuot na natin to ilang araw na, and so far, okay na okay naman. Viewable naman siya in direct sunlight. And for the weight, tingnan natin. So 27.53 grams lang. Very lightweight. Parang hindi mo mapapansin na suot mo yung fitness tracker. Again, tingnan natin yung look ng fitness tracker ng malapitan. Okay? So sa specs, ito nakalagay 1.47 inch yung screen display. May messaging at notifications siya for the features. 15 to 20 days standby time. So, medyo matagal din yung battery life. Kung normal usage, 5 to 7 days. 190 mAh battery. Bluetooth 5.3, TFT LCD screen, at compatible sa Android at iOS. Kung may iPhone kayo, okay din. Pwede nyong gamitin to. Next, tingnan naman natin yung sa UI. Okay, settings and options. Sa baba, notifications. Sa kabila, widgets. Okay, pwede nyong dagdagan, pwede nyong bawasan. At isa sa mga features na gustong-gusto ko sa fitness tracker na ito. Pag tinap nyo yung function dito, yung mga icon na maliliit na icon, directly to, pwedeng ma-access yung feature or function. Heart rate. Ito, battery kasi to wala. Ito, heart rate, yun. Weather report. Ito, automatic activity tracking. May isa pang watch face dito, katulad ng Huawei. Heart rate. Sports. Wait muna natin. Stop. Then, calories or daily activity tracking. Weather report. And ito, yun. So, very useful yung watch face natin. Dynamic. Hindi siya yung plain lang na nagdi-display ng data. So, parang shortcut na rin sa function. And talking about functions, para ma-access yung main menu, press nyo lang yung power button. So, meron tayong daily activity tracking, sports functions, limited nga lang. Ito yung mga loaded na sports. Okay, may outdoor sports. I think more than 50 yata to kung hindi ako nagkakamali. O baka more than 100 pa. Tingnan nga natin. So, walang nakalagay. Okay rin naman yung sports, and kung napapansin nyo, meron ditong swimming. So, pwede nyong isuot yung fitness tracker kahit naliligo kayo. Full waterproof. Then, may record, sports record. May heart rate. May blood oxygen monitoring. May sleep monitoring. May respiratory rate. Weather report. Calendar, may calculator din, may alarm, merong breathing exercises, music control, stopwatch, timer, may find phone din, flashlight, at sa settings ito, may display brightness, timeout, raise to wake function, at notification. So ito yung mga details natin sa settings. TLSB01. So, fully loaded yung ating fitness tracker despite na very affordable at compact yung design. Marami pa rin siyang loaded na features. May support din sa push notifications, Bluetooth music control, meron ding stopwatch. May flashlight din. Okay? So, that's it sa ating exploration o review ng ating TechLife Smart Band. So, kung meron kayong katanungan, meron kayong mga tanong about sa fitness tracker na ito, drop lang ng comment. And of course, ganun pa rin, support our channel. Like ninyo, i-like, i-share, at mag-subscribe. Bye!